This is a little song called the stretch song. Let's warm it up. Put your hands up in the air. Now touch your toes. Come on. Now put your hands up in the air. Now touch your toes. Now can you touch your toes? We're going to do a little stretch called the airplane. Spread your feet apart and put your arms out. Now twist to the right. Twist to the right. And touch the ground. Now touch the ground. And then just hold it. And hold it. Bring it up. Now make circles to the front. To the other side. Come on. Something like this. Now twist to the left, and touch the ground. Now touch the ground. Then you hold it, then you hold it. Now bring it up. Now make circles to the back, to the back. Now we're gonna do a little stretch with our neck. Come on. Now say yes, 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 yes. Now take it to the side like no, 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 no. Just a little bit faster. Yes, come on. Yes, come on. Yes, and a little bit faster. No, 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 no. Yeah, you looking good. Come on, go. Now put your hands out like you saying I don't know. We're gonna do right and left side. And to the right side, I don't know. To the left side, I don't know. To the right side, I don't know. To the left side.